Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are creating a glowing outline around a model using stroke path. Start by selecting the pen tool and tracing around the subject. Keep the path smooth by placing points only where curves changes. After completing the outline, switch to be the brush tool. Choose a soft round brush with a bright color for the glow. Also increase the brush size to make the glow more dramatic. Now go to the pen tool and right click the path. Select stroke path and choose brush. You are instantly see a clean glowing outline around your subject, and also add outer glow and layer style to increase the shine. Adjust spread and size to balance the glow effect. Use hue and saturation to change the glow